Regarding naman sa examination ng books, ito ay ginagawa lamang once a year. With regard po kung yung i-examine is yung income tax with respect to the income taxation. Kasi yung ibang taxes katulad ng VAT, ang VAT kasi ang kanyang filing is every quarter. So ang kanyang final na determination ng tax is every quarter din. So, ibig sabihin niyan, pwede siyang i-examine 4 times in a year, in a taxable year. Now, regarding sa income tax, since once lang siya, pero ito yung mga exceptions pagdating dyan sa once a year. Una, kung mayroong fraud, irregularity or mistakes na according sa CIR, pwede silang makapag-inspect ng books mo more than once in a taxable year. Ikalawa, kung mag-request for investigation, ang ibig sabihin ng investigation, you are allowing the BIR na pwede silang mag-review ulit doon sa books mo. Ikatatlo, verification of compliance with withholding tax laws and regulations. Yan. Pwede silang, pag regarding kasi sa withholding tax laws, pwede silang maka-inspect sa iyo kasi yung ano din dyan, yung withholding is, ano kasi yung withholding, hindi kasi yan sa iyo. So, medyo stricto siya pagdating dyan. They're giving more chances sa part naman ng BIR na pwede silang makapag-inspect more than once in a taxable year. Pagdating naman sa verification ng capital gains tax, ang capital gains tax kasi hindi naman kasi ito regular na filing. So it could be na in a year marami kang sales of real property na subject sa capital gains tax. Ang deadline niyan is within 30 days from the date of sale. So ngayon, kung marami kang pagkakataon, then if they have a reason to believe na kailangan nila na mag-examine ng libro mo, they can do it more than once in a taxable year. So in the exercise of the commissioner's power under the tax code as amended, ang pag-obtain ng information from the person is in which case another separate examination inspection may be made according yan sa power. Maybe that particular spectrum or yung scope na yan ay magiging within dito sa mga exceptions na yan. Basta ang unang pinakaunang basihan dito is kung mayroong fraud, irregularity, or mistakes na ginagawa ng taxpayer na na-determine ng commissioner.